Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any 1 out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since April 23, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.2%. This equates to an average return of 3.6% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $9.50 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decline of approximately 43.46% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 64.66% to negative 42.73%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 55.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 26.20% to 353.80% over the next year. In terms of future pricing, this would suggest a range between $11.84 and $42.57. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline. On Thursday, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price gained an impressive 7.2%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price increased by 7.2% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from $8.75 to $9.38. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.43%, with a low of $8.78 and a high of $9.61. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.23% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume has risen, with 6 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 33 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $311.59 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the stock price is 62.45%, or $15.60, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading under the symbol SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges as a class action lawsuit has been filed against the company. This action arises from allegations of securities violations, with impacted shareholders encouraged to act before the deadline on the 27th of May, 2025 to secure their rights. The announcement of this lawsuit has the potential to create volatility in SoundHound AI stock price in the short term. Investors typically react swiftly to news of legal issues, often resulting in downward pressure on the stock as uncertainty looms regarding potential financial liabilities and the overall impact on business operations. In the longer term, the ramifications will largely depend on the outcome of the litigation. If the company is found liable, it could face significant financial repercussions, which would likely deter future investment and negatively influence stock performance. Conversely, if SoundHound can effectively navigate this legal hurdle, it may stabilize its position and improve investor confidence over time. For investors, staying informed about these developments is crucial. The ongoing legal proceedings will be a key factor in assessing the stock's future trajectory as they unfold. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN an buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 9th of August 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Today's chart reflects mostly positive signals. The stock of SoundHound AI, Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term one. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $8.23 and $8.78. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 30.64%. Continued growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the chart over the past 12 months, we notice the short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. To discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.21. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 83 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 9.43%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 7 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.82. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.21. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Home James Ming executed an insider sell of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Home James Ming executed another insider sell, this time of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed an insider sell of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kevin conducted another insider sell, totaling 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sell of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 10.747. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.02, which represents a decline of 3.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals appear to be positive. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 12 cents and start trading at $9.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.